Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this little pair of avocados. And this is a paint by line, so all these lines are etched into the cutout for you. I will be using Dixie Belle chalk paint throughout the video, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with the cutout and brushes that I use. I went in with the color Mint Julep for the inside of my avocado, and next I'm going in with the color Chocolate for the seeds. And finally, I'm going to finish the edges by painting them in the color Kudzu. And for all of these, I'm using the number 12 flat, which is the largest brush in the pack of brushes we sell. It's just a great brush to base coat, and that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Once I'm done with my base coating, I'm going to allow everything to dry completely. And lately I've been using a heat gun, which I actually have really enjoyed. The brand that I'm using is a Tekpo, which I believe you can purchase on Amazon. And it's really a game changer because instead of having to wait for your products to dry and then go back later and finish them, you're able to just do it all in one sitting, which I have really enjoyed. So again, it dries it pretty good. I kind of just focus on drying the parts that I'm going to be using my Sharpie marker, because again, you don't want to go in on wet paint with a Sharpie marker. So I'm just going in now with that, and this is the brush stroke marker, not just a regular Sharpie, and I'm going over all of my areas that have lines engraved. And I'm also going to use this marker to go in and do a little writing. And guys, go ahead, disclaimer, forgive me, I spelled avocado wrong. I do know how to spell it. I missed it on this video, so just ignore that. And then I'm highlighting everything with a little bit of the color Cotton and a number 4 round. And then that'll complete this project and video. I'm just going to go in and do my hand lettering on camera, and this is just something that you'll get better at the more you do. So just practice, practice, practice. You can always practice on a piece of paper if you don't want to go in on your cutout yet, and that'll work as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.